They have striked again, this time at JN Money Shop in Westmoreland after robbers escaped with 3.2 million in cash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Well, staff at a JN Money Shop in Westmoreland are trying to come to terms with what transpired there yesterday morning after the facility was held up and robbed of cash amounting to $3.2 million. But before I get into the details of that, let us just talk a little. When we look on what is going on around us right now, we have to be extremely careful and be very precautious about how we conduct business, especially in this time of the pandemic of the COVID virus. During the past few weeks, we have seen an increase in criminal activities as it relates to robberies and also shooting incidents being carried out by these heinous criminals right across the country. And it's a difficult time right now for the security forces to keep up with what is actually taking place. And it's a difficult time right now for even the citizens in order for them to be going out and feeling safe conducting business. I've seen a spate of robberies as well as it relates to motorbikes being used as the getaway vehicle just in order for a hasty retreat from the crime scene. And I believe that people need to take a proactive approach in order to protect their life and also their property. And by doing so, you have to be very vigilant and be suspicious of any unfamiliar activities that you come across. Even if it doesn't seem that important to you, just put it in the back of your head that something might go wrong or can go wrong based on what you are experiencing right now, right across the country. So this situation played out over there in Westmoreland, and these individuals were able to gain access to a money shop and they were able to escape with 3.2 million in cash. So this incident that I'm about to talk about took place in White House, and that's in Westmoreland to be exact, in which some robbers held up a money shop over there and escaped with approximately 3.2 million in cash. They also, during the process, stole the security guard's firearm and then fled in a stolen taxi that morning. So in a statement yesterday afternoon, Jamaica National said that the incident happened around 11:40 a.m. and none of the four employees or members of the public were hurt during the incident. However, the guardsman security guard was injured during the incident and had to seek medical treatment, and his firearm was stolen during that process as well. So Jamaica National said that the location will remain closed and the police are carrying out their investigation in order to ascertain what really led to this brazen robbery that took place in the morning. However, it just goes to show you that these individuals right now, they are very heartless and they are becoming more and more braver based on the fact that they are walking inside these facilities and they are holding people at ransom based on the fact of what they know is inside those walls. So the good thing about this though is that they went and they did what they had to do and they did not really hurt anyone seriously during the process, because in situations such as these situations are very terrible. They can go terribly wrong as well. And when we look on the spate of robberies that are going on in the country, it's not unlikely that these situations will occur over and over again. But it's just so good that none of the employees were hurt, nor the general public, and the security guard that was hurt during the incident as well. He had to seek medical treatment. However, it was nothing life-threatening, and they made good their escape with the cash amounting to $3.2 million. So the authorities are continuing with their investigation and they are hoping to make a breakthrough very soon in this case. But when we look on what is going on around us, we just have to be extremely careful. And situations such as these, it's not like you can prevent it from happening, because you could just be there conducting your business. When these individuals are walking on you, there's nothing you can do. They are armed, you are not. You just have to just follow their procedures or what they ask you to do, just in order to protect your own life and your own well-being, based on the fact that you're caught in a compromising situation, and a situation in which your life is at risk. So you just have to adhere to what they have stated and just continue to just be careful whenever you conduct your business. And this is just one of many situations right now that have been playing out over and over again in the parish of Westmoreland, and also other parishes in the country. And in moving forward, I believe that these financial institutions really need to put some more security measures in place. And in doing so, removing the guard from the public eyes is one such move in order to curb these criminal activities that is going on. Because at the time the guards are out there, individuals are able to be right where the guard is, and you don't know who is who, so you're putting the guard life at risk. I believe that the guard need to be off site, but on the compound and out the side of the customers, and also who is transacting business in those locations. But that is just my view anyway. This is where I'm going to leave this one for now. I'll keep you up to date with it anyway. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and I'm out for this one.